Mistake number one, shipping everything. So many people that have the financial means to do so, they just don't want to deal with the hassle and the confusion of downsizing or choosing or whatever. They just pick everything up in one place, ship it, and have everything kind of like copy paste. Now, why do I consider that a mistake? Because moving abroad, moving in general and moving abroad is an exceptional opportunity to really go through your things, go through what is serving you, what is not serving you, what makes sense for you to keep having, doesn't make sense. And ultimately, this cleaning up and decluttering opens up space and energy and, provides the opportunity for new things to come, objects, experiences, you name it. So it's really a good opportunity when we're moving abroad to go through things. Is it hard? It can be. And that I'm going to talk about how to make it less hard in tip number 3. But it's a wasted opportunity in my opinion, and it really doesn't serve us in the long run when we just copy paste and ship every single thing without going through it. So that was mistake number 1 that I consider a mistake when packing for living abroad.